Welcome to our first page. Today let's see about ACCENTURE Meal Card. It's called as Pluxee or Sodexo. So before starting this video, kindly subscribe our channel. Fine. These are all the three main steps we are going to see today. Digital meal voucher declaration, compensation plan update, and finally meal card activation. So let's see one by one. So for step 1, you have to log in SmartPay ALSEC portal and select the menu compensation. Under that you can see digital meal voucher. Just select it. Here you can see the option with radio button yes or no for the digital meal card voucher. Okay, so last submission date will be 26th March. Every year the date will be same, only year will be different. And once you have declared, you can get some email to complete the activation process through online by filling your KYC. So that is what they have mentioned here. So based on the KYC, this card will be delivered to your corresponding address. Okay, let me select this S, and there are two options you can see here. One is 1100 or 2200 per month. So in my case, I am selecting the second one. After submit, you can see some notes here. Okay, so here you can see the detailed process which we are going to do in future after submission. Okay, so April 2026 mail card upload we have to do, and this module will be considered from May. Okay, so compensation plan we have to update on the month of May, and we can see the compensation. If we not planned on 17th May, it will take by default 2200. Otherwise, if you wish to change the amount, you can change it at the time of May. Okay, so that's up to you. I have saved now, so you can see the save successfully message, right? That's it. Now step 2, this will be around April we have to do. Okay, here you can see compensation plan. There is a option called go to meal voucher, right? So here you have to select your meal voucher amount. This is same as 2200. There are two options only available, so either you can select 1100 or 2200. And below you can see the activation process what we have to do in future. So just read it out and just click submit. Okay, this is a base submission only. Final step 3, this is for activating the meal card. So you will receive email like this from Pluxee by congratulating you, and some notes they have provided here. Before activate you need to, before use you need to activate this card. And below you can see some card reference number and the list of steps to activate the card. Okay, so below that you can see some option how to see this Pluxee card on mobile application, how to change the transaction limit and all. So those steps you can find here. And below that you have some contact information. If you face any issue, you can directly contact or write email to them. Okay, let's start with the activation. So just select this link activation.consumer.fluxy.in. It will take you to the page where we need to do our activation. Okay, just accept all the cookies, and below you can see in the form mobile number and card reference number, right? So here you have to provide your email address, not mobile number. Then after entering employee ID, you can see few more fields like name, location, and address information. Okay, so provide your name and location. So location will be either home or work. So where you are going to receive your physical card, right? So that address you need to provide here. So address 1, address 2, just fill it, your street, area, and pin code, then which city you are, then finally state information, so which state you are belongs to. So all the information just fill it. I'm doing for mine. Okay, and finally you can see the card reference number here. Just paste it from and take it from the email. and finally enter the captcha and verify it. Okay, once verified, just click the submit button at the bottom. Yeah, now you can see second page the activation code. So this activation code you will receive through your email ID. Okay, so email is nothing but your Accenture email. So just open your Outlook. You can see the email was received. Yeah, here you can see, right, this is my activation code. Just copying and pasting here. Fine, now I have to provide my mobile number and just click the send OTP. You will receive OTP. Just provide that OTP here and validate it. So now with your Pluxee account, your mobile number was linked. Okay, so just validate it and finally click activate card. Okay, now it will take you to the KYC process. The next step, yeah, just accept all again. Here it will ask you the PAN card information and your date of birth. So just provide that. Let me provide. So after providing inputs, just click submit. Okay, let me submit. Now it will take you to the author verification. So here this is a bit critical step. Nobody awares it's a offline other. Okay, so what they are expecting is we need to download this XML file from official other portal and we need to upload that file by clicking the below the green upload other XML zip file button. Okay, so let's see how to do that. Okay, let me click this link. Click to go UIDAI for downloading other. Okay, so just click this offline other. Okay, now you can see it's opening the myother.udai.gov.in. Here you have the login option, right? Just click this login button. Now you can see the form. There you have to provide your Aadhaar number. Okay, let me add mine. Okay, so after adding Aadhaar number, we have to add captcha. Okay, let's log in with OTP. Now within few minutes, maximum 5 minutes, you will receive other authentication code, OTP code. Just enter it, then click login. Okay, so now it will take you to the home page after successful login. So we can see multiple options here, right? So what we required is download other XML zip file. Okay, so this is what they expecting from us. Okay, let's go to the dashboard of my Aadhaar. Yeah, so here you can see multiple options, right? So we have to select offline KYC. Yeah, so this is the one. From here only we able to get the zip file. So just click this offline eKYC arrow. Okay, so it will ask you to create share code. So this is 4-digit code. Whatever you want, you can add it here and just click download. Okay, on the top right you can see download option. Download a file, right? Close it. Now it was saved in the file explorer. That's it. So the stuff what we need from Aadhaar portal, that is done. Let's go here and just select this upload Aadhaar XML. Before that you have to agree this. Okay, now we have to choose that XML file. Yeah, let me select it, open, and bottom it will ask you the share code. So whatever we created, right, the 4-digit pin that we need to enter here. That's it, just click submit. Yeah, now you can see your profile picture, name, date of birth, whatever you have given in the other. And here we are expecting one more document, driving license, voter ID or passport. Just select and provide that number. If you are clicking voter ID, you have to provide a voter number. If it is passport, then passport number you need to enter in the document number. Okay, so that's it. Just add it and click OK. Yeah, so let me click OK. That's it. Your card was successfully activated and ready to use with balance limit 10,000. Okay, so it will take 7 working days to change the KYC status verified. Okay, so just wait for it. After that KYC done, you will get a physical card to your address. It will take around 1 month. So just wait for 5 minutes. You will receive a message like this: activated successfully with timestamp. So once you receive this, the final steps, just go to the Google Play Store and search for Pluxee. This Sudexo Zeta application you can find. Just open it and just read it through some tutorials, or you can skip it and then click let's get started. Okay, now we need to log in. Now you can use your 10-digit mobile number to log in this application. Let me add mine. I have already created my password. So first time it will ask you to create a password. Okay, so now I'm just going to log in with my created password. So you guys simply follow the steps. Okay, after entering mobile number, it will ask you to select the SIM card which is belongs to the number you have given. Okay, so after entering the password, it will log in successfully, and you can see the dashboard of mobile screen. So here by default you can see the profile first. If you want, you can update or you can just skip it. Finally, that's it. So this is the dashboard of application. Here you can see the card information. Okay, so the bottom you can see card details, right? Just click it and go for card settings. From here you can change your pin code and you can block if you want to temporary block. Okay, multiple options are there. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe us for more unique videos. Bye bye.